Howdy folks, welcome back to Bull Ford 82. We're working on the Dodge again. This one's got a pretty bad water pump. I mean it leaks pretty bad. So we're gonna go ahead and change it out. I'm gonna try and keep this one another 15-minute video on the Dodge. I know people aren't really interested in this truck, but that's what I'm working on right now. Got a new one from the NAPA. I got a new radiator cap with the safety deherbitive organ. We've got a new thermostat to go with this. Is that 203 degree? Dang, she likes to run warm. Anyways, we're gonna get into this here. I'll set you up and start taking things apart. I already tried getting the fan clutch loose, and I wanted to show my method of doing that. I took the biggest Allen wrench that I had that would fit into the little holes in the pulley. These ones right here. And then I put the Allen key all the way in there and put it up against this part of the water pump, and just put my 15-inch Schittsburg auto nut rounder on that, and it broke it free. Of course, make a liar out of me. Yeah, see, it's free. So what I'm gonna do is now that I got that loose, I'm gonna work on getting this shroud loose. It looks like we're screwed in here and clipped in at the bottom, and screwed in on the side as well. Yeah, he's got the pink coolant in this. I think we're gonna just convert this over to the regular green. So I'm gonna do a little bit of a coolant flush on it. Anyways, let's get you set up in here. Just do a little bit of a montage type video. Once we get this shroud and the fan out of here, give us a lot of room to yank the belt off, and our water pump's pretty much there. You know, when he dropped this off, it was just leaking all over the driveway. He's been having to put water in it, which is not all that great because we want to have actual coolant in this thing. Okay. This thing's got 195,000 miles on it. I wonder if the water pump's ever been replaced. What are you caught on? Come on now. Let's see, what do we got? Just water? He just got water in here. Wow. It's just water. I won't even have to recycle this. Okay. Let's just grab her here. off of there. What a pain in the butt. Here comes more water. Yeah, she just had water in her. Her water broke. Out of there. I'll just come in here and clean that with maybe some Scotch-Brite or something, and we'll be good to go. Oh, here's our old water pump. I don't know if this is a Chrysler one or not. I don't see any Chrysler markings on it. Anyways, so I was gonna mess with this clamp, right? No, we have to take this off anyways. Tired of messing around. So I'll leave that like that. That's the old thermostat in it. I think it was working fine, but we're here, so I'm putting a new one in. Listen to this. Yeah, it just does. Need a pump here, and we put the thermostat in. We want this little bleeder here to stick at the top, so I'll literally just set it in here like this. This is the top of the pump. Do that. Throw a little bit of air down the heater, and just a little bit. We don't want to explode it. Okay, just want to get some of the water out. Okay, I had to turn the camera off for a moment. I was having a bit of a tantrum. So this bolt here that's kind of gets blocked by this power steering pump pulley, you can actually put that one in last after you get all the bolts or the screws ran down. Yeah, I was trying to put it all in one shot, but yeah, really getting frustrated with that. I suppose we could just go ahead and put our heater hoses back on. This pump didn't quite fit 100% like it should. I had to egg out some of the screw holes to get the dang thing to go on. Well, this container full of water now smells like wet dog and 3-week-old neck crust, so just go ahead and pour this in. At least if we start with water, we won't waste coolant. I did shut the valve. I think what we'll end up doing, I'll go ahead and put the tensioners on and put this pretty much back together. We'll leave the fan in the fan shroud. We'll just start it up, and just that way we can watch for leaks. Well, I don't see anything leaking. Got the belts back on. I don't have any spare parts other than 4 screws, but that's for the fan shroud and the washer bottle deal. Let's fire it up and I'm going to go ahead and start putting antifreeze in. I think we've got enough water in it. I don't see it leaking anywhere. I don't think these have a heater control valve. I think it's just blend door actuated, so, but I got the heat on just so we can, feel if we have heat. This should bleed out pretty easily. I can feel big pockets of air coming out of this. There we go. Coolant temp's coming up a little bit. I don't see any leaks, so I think our poorly fitting water pump is working out just fine. So we're 140 degrees at the thermostat right now. This thing opens up around 200. About 100 degrees on the heater hose. And when I'm squeezing the radiator hose to burp it, yeah, there we go. Got lots of air. coolant's expanding on me. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and throw the fan and fan trail back in, get the washer tank and coolant reservoir put back in. And I'm going to make a new hose for the cap here out of this. And yeah, this will all sit for a little bit and it's getting warm right here, so she's still purging the air.